Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking pincushion care. Pincushions, they're a great variety of protea. You may have known them as Leucospermum. They love to be in the cold. So when you get them in, take them out of the box, get it a fresh cut, set it in water with flower food, and let them rehydrate. Store them in the cooler, and they'll last and last and last. Secret, they dry and still look fabulous. Colors, yellow, orange, red. Foliage, not the most attractive. You may want to go ahead and remove that, and then put it in the vase, ready for designing. Now you know how the pros do it.